Okay, I just left the bedroom and ready to mop the floor. It's 4:30 in the morning, and Emily has followed me into the kitchen. And here she sits with him, Teddy. And there's Emily, waiting for something to eat. Come on, Em. What's going on, Em? What's going on? I know the light's off in the dining room. I'm going to mop the dining room, but I can't mop it with you there. That's Emily. That's Emily. That's Em. Em. Show the doctor you're walking. Well, I gotta turn the light on. I gotta turn the light on here. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Back to bed. Let's follow her. Oops, there's the bucket. There's the little girl. There she runs. There she's running.